Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video, man. We back. Yeah, excuse me. Let's do a quick recap regarding yesterday. We ended up getting the stuff we wanted to see yesterday, especially like price using this fair value gap that we had at the time. It was very nice. Very nice. Wait, what? Wait, okay, I'll look at that on the 15 minute. But yeah, because you guys saw I went break even. I lost the first TP got hit, which was like right here. First TP, second TP was all the way up here, but I moved my stops higher, which is I know something, but I was just risking too much on the trade to be honest. And yeah. So that's what happened with yesterday. And I kind of revenge traded when I tried to short it here. I thought like really we're gonna go for the short immediately, but we took it at the second macro. As you guys can see, we ended up using it, having a fair value gap, using this as an inverse, and then price just sold to the downside. Beautiful, taking out that London low as we anticipated. Just the timing was just wrong. Our timing was just wrong, and that's okay. We're on break even. We were given grace yesterday. I saw it as grace. Break even. We didn't make anything. Monday we took a loss, so the account is still on $20 drawdown. The other account, like I said, it's badly damaged. Hopefully we can recover. We can recover that as well. But yeah, we just have to follow the process and see what the market has to give us today. We did have news earlier on with called PPI, and unemployment claims. So yeah, let's just see what am I gonna do. Let's just do my top analysis real quick. Um, right now, you guys can see that. Look at that. Our prices using this for value gap again, but I don't want to use this one. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. I want to see how price is gonna treat this for value gap. This one right over here, and you see also we have this small one using it as an inverse, and we have this. We already reversed from this on that 15 minute as well, but we still have to wait for market open. We just have to wait for market open, and we have these nice primaries. This primary sell side, but it looks so good, bro. Um, I don't know if I'll be able to if I will hold the trade that long. We just have to see what the volatility when market opens. But these relative equal lows look so beautiful. I want to see price take that out. Really looks clean. I think this is a daily low. Yeah, really looks clean. So looking, I really wanna see what we tap into these. Um, what else? We have the London low, we have the London high. Maybe at market open, we could see price go up, take out the London high, and then we could see a retracement to the downside, and then we attack these. But we have 70% of the time, price will wanna come and fill up the opening range gap. I still have to draw this up actually. So we still have to draw this up. Let's just see. Um, open range gap. We'll fix it at market open. There's our opening range gap. And we have this big after price to have these nice relative equals, these relative equal highs. We have this big fair value gap. We're gonna see if price wants to maybe attack that as well. We have this just above these highs. But first I want to see how it's gonna react to this. We have this first fair value gap of yesterday as well, and the end dog that on the daily we look like this. This is what we got on the daily. So this is our primary sell side. So we want to see will price want to retrace. You see right now we're currently going up. We're currently going up. We want to see the bullet does want to retrace and probably take out this primary sell side that we have because we're reacting off this fair value gap. This one, this daily fair value gap. Reacting off this daily fair value gap. And we just touched the midpoint. You see that? Like literally touched the midpoint. It could, now that I'm seeing this, in all honesty, now that I'm seeing that we're reacting off the midpoint right now, I just might wanna see a continuation maybe to the upside with regarding buys, but a retracement can always still happen. A retracement can always still happen. So just have to be patient, wait and see what the price wants to tell us, what it wants to do. I feel like that's the important part. Yeah. Yeah. That's I think that's pretty much it. To cover anything else? Yeah, this is like the midpoint, bro. I don't know if there's anything else to cover. There's the 5 minute. I don't really look at the 5 minute like that. Um, nah. But you can see also using this midpoint very nicely. Um, it's like an team with these two. Mm. Anyway, we just have to wait for market open. See how price. Oh, excuse me. A little bit tired, yo. But I just ate not so long ago. See how it reacts to this fair value gap right over here that we have, and these ones. These ones. Yeah. So we just have to wait for market open and see what happens. Because already right now we're going up. Like it came back into this. And let's see what is it respecting. She's respecting that. Um, but yeah. So let's just see what happens at market open. And yeah. Excuse me, man. I'm just yawning, bro. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We have 50%, I mean 70% of the time. We wanna see price do what 50 that come into this the midpoint of it before 10 o'clock. Let's see what it give it. Let's see what it give us that. It's probably okay because we had news, right? We had news at 8:30, which is right about here. Price went all the way down. Probably wanna see it fill this favela gap. Take out all these highs have equal highs. We have the London low over there. Bum, ba, bum, bum. Oh, it's just sweet. Oh, we have 30 seconds left. Oh, da. I actually didn't check how big this gap is. It's like it's a big gap. Nowadays the gaps have been quite big to be honest. Really big. That's our opening price. Let's see what price wants to do. Bum, ba, bum, bum. Bum, ba, bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know, mark this is gonna just make it look messy, but I'm looking at this Fair Value gap right over here. Ooh. Oh, I forgot about. Doing a nice job to the downside. So if it is that we go for the opening range gap midpoint and we take out that London low, I'm gonna wait and see do we get a reversal to maybe catch the London high for price to go higher. Because on the daily, if you guys remember, we are reacting off that fair value gap midpoint, right? So I wanna see if it is that we wanna go lower or we're gonna continue or we're gonna go higher. So we just have to wait for price to play out. Let's see how it reacts off these price points at first, and then we will see from there. As you can see, we are dropping right now. Um, it's the midpoint of that wick, so that's what I'm measuring right now. The midpoint of the wick. You see how the bodies are staying above that, and the wicks are just doing the damage. They're just falling short of that daily wick consequent encouragement. We still have 11 minutes of this candlestick though, so we have to let it play out, and we shall see. We still haven't gone out first value gap as well. Okay, I don't know, man. Where's my Vaseline, bro? Oh. Uh, they're we're in like a slow grind-ish down. There isn't any fair value gaps, no displacements. Yeah. Now reacting off that daily wick midpoint. There's a small reaction over there. But let's see how price reacts once we get down here. Let's if we get down here. What do you think we will? I'm just get the SP. This thing. Whoa, we're about to take out the low right over there. The London low on the SP. On the Nasdaq, we're still up. Looks like we're getting an SMT divergence there. Look at that reaction that we're getting. Boom, boom. I'm not gonna lie, for me this week, more than anything, it's not that I've been taking bad trades. Like my plays have been so clean. It's just that my psychology, bro, this week, and the worst thing, I'm trading the fund now, and I feel like my psychology is kind of cooked a bit. Oh, look, we're having a nice reaction of that this daily wick midpoint, and we came back into okay, we didn't coming back into this, but we came back into this. You guys see that? This one. Let's just wait for it to play out. I'm gonna remove this confusion. We're acting beautifully off that daily wick, consequent encouragement. And yeah, see what happens. So we're gonna have a fair value gap right over here. Our first presented fair value gap, which is gonna be this right over here. Let's see, is price gonna use this to catch this minor and the London high? Wait though. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're having a nice aggressive drop there. I don't know if wait. Should we count this? Wow, we are, man. We are. We can use that. Mm. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see. Honestly, we can use this to go for sales as we come back into this first for value gap. We just fell short coming into it, but I'm gonna wait and see if we get a nice aggressive push. Next candlestick. Mm. Whoa. Just gonna have to wait and be patient. What's today's date? The 11th. We can use that as our first presented. So let's see what we get a retracement back into this. In here to go potentially go lower. I think I'm gonna go short here. And there. Okay, I'm short right now. Um, I'm currently short. Let's see what happens. Yo, this is bad. Seeing this is very bad. I'm not gonna lie, and I already entered. So, phew, hopefully we get a bit of retracement. That is not a good sign. I'm not gonna lie. That's not a good sign. We might just lose this one, boys. That is not a good sign because it left it a little bit and it came back to retest it. As you guys can see that we're reacting also off still this one. So, yikes. May not have been a good entry. I don't know. I'm kind of doubting myself a little bit. I'm really doubting myself a little bit there. Um, but just gotta have to let it pan out. So I entered. Let me screen record this. Yo, oh, my stop loss. Yeah, guys, I think I'm out. Yep, I got stopped out. I got stopped out of this one. kind of rushed it a little bit. Um, as you guys can see, I'm currently down $56. How did we lose 18 and 16? Whoa, that's a lot, bro. 20. Yeah, that's it from me, guys. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, the moment I literally saw price leave this and come back and also use this for value gap right over here, it told me everything I need to know. Um, let me see something. Excuse me. Yeah, boys. Damn. I just want to see something. Yo, this thing is skyrocketing. I just want to see some. I don't know how I lost that much, to be honest. I'm just gonna have to watch back the video because unless maybe it was let me see, 60. Oh, yeah, it was put up there. It was put up there. We lost actually a lot today, I'm not gonna lie. Um, hopefully we're not too much in a bad drawdown. We're down $56 on the account. Should have been a little bit more patient. A little bit more patient, bro. Oh, should have waited for that 15-minute candle to finish to close first. And we paid the price for that. Mm. Look on our price was respecting this the daily wick midpoint right over there. And then yeah. I was on the wrong side today, boys. I was on the wrong side. Definitely on the wrong side, bro. Oh, next time, champ. Let's just see what happens during the macro. And then I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna hop off. Uh, um. Okay. Let me check. What the Comet Capital? Let's see. I wanna log in real quick. Oh, you see the portal. How much are we down? Because we actually lost a lot today, in all honesty. Let's see. We're down 35%. Um, okay, daily drawdown, we are down 57%. And then overall drawdown, we're only down 47%. So, yeah, yeah, yeah. Honestly, price use this, come to use this for value gap, train the macro to catch higher prices. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, we down overall drawdown, we are down 47%. Daily drawdown, we're down 57%. So if with what? Yeah. So I'm only left to lose 125 minus the 59, 66, like 2, 4, 6, like three more trades more or less. like three more trades. But I should have been a little bit more patient and not rush to press that. Um, Let me see something. Rush to press that button. I can remove this as the date. To go highs over there. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, so this was the trade idea I lost. Let me show you guys. Short. I try to go for shorts over here, and my stop loss was above there, and then TP was. I didn't set my TP at the time, but yeah. Let me just do this. Yeah, it's the trade we lost. Um, what I could have improved, all in all honesty, probably the moment I just saw this, but price struggling to go for that London low. Excuse me. I actually started struggling to go for that London low, and yeah, yeah, I just fell for this retracement, thinking that we are gonna continue shorting when I should have waited for this 50-minute candle, and I didn't. I was impatient, and that's the price I paid for that. Price came back and retraced back into this fair value gap. Let me show you guys this one, and literally just like so. Oh wait, no, this is it actually, because it has a gap over there. I just see that now. See if I can change the color. Touching the midpoint of that right over there, and also I think it's aligning with this midpoint. Let me show you guys this midpoint. Crazy. With this midpoint, respecting that, respecting this, and then price just going up, bro. Yeah, yeah. Two losses this week. Not a good start to the week. I'm not. Yeah, not so good. Not so good. I'll see if I'll trade tomorrow. 'Cause tomorrow I'm writing actually, so we'll just see with that. Like when I come back. Let's see how far price is gonna go. Probably looking at this, or what we can do is we can measure the midpoint of between this and this, which is right over there. And funny thing, I had the bias of like, oh, we're probably gonna buy. But I actually wanted to see this London low get taken out first, but price had different plans. Price had different plans. Ichi. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this week is not a good week, bro. It's not a good week. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully we can recover. Mm, Okay, I don't know about tomorrow. I don't know if I'm trading tomorrow. It just depends on the time I come back. But we took out that London high. Right now we're at the midpoint between this and that. So yeah, we got a nice reaction off this price. Left this and came back. And in fact, this isn't as into divergence because you saw that here we took it, bro. Oh my day, bro. It was given to me on a silver platter. Yeah, I'm cooked this week, bro. I'm cooked. This is a bad trading week. I'm not gonna lie. Bad trading week. I'm not following my rules, bro. I feel like that's it. I'm not being patient. Oh. Oh, dun, 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 dun. And we created these nice relative equal lows. So probably the next macro price is gonna wanna take these out, these two. So yeah. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Oh damn. Ugh. I'm gonna take my L, boys. Yeah, this is red, bro. Just red. Oh, okay, I'm back. I'm back on Earth. Oh, we came back into this Valley gap right over here. Yeah, man, I should have honestly just been more patient when it came to this 15 minute. But I need to get my mind right, bro. I need to get my mind right. I think my mind is at the right place right now. Oh, alright, chat. We're gonna make it a strict rule from now on to wait, to wait, to wait, to wait, to wait. Let me see how pressing that reach that end dog. Boys, I'm done. I'm gonna hop off the charts for my own mental health. Um, yeah, red week. I'm not gonna lie, red week. Uh, Hopefully, we see what the charts has to give us tomorrow. Man, we can just play off that. But for now, we're in the red. Literally. Excuse me. Um, anyways, guys, oh damn, busy playing iMessage games. Okay, I'm gonna hop off now. Took my L. This would have been just showing the trade that I see. When the moment I saw price leave that, I just knew that yeah, I'm definitely down for right over there. I knew I was definitely down for. But yeah. Um, this could have been our trade idea, but it wasn't. I was a little bit impatient, and I paid the price for that. So I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, which is tomorrow. I'm gonna go and study now, bro. Study my sorrows away. So yeah, cheers. Take care. See you guys on the next one. I know I'm leaving a little bit early. I usually wait for the macro to end to finish, but there's nothing more for me to say here. So cheers.